So after finding of main dimension and winding type, we should find the total number of conductor and the number of armature slots. So we know that formula to find the total number of conductor. So we know that basic diagram of equation EB should be equal to P pi Z n divided by 60A. So where n is the speed in RPM, we can convert the small n speed in RPS. So small n it should be equal to capital N by 60. We can eliminate it. So here we are selected as lab pointing. For the case of lab pointing, P equal to A. So that also getting eliminated. So EP it should be equal to pi Z and small n, right? Pi is a Weber, flux in Weber, total number of conductor and speed in RPS. So we can find the flux from the specific magnetic loading. PAV it should be equal to P pi divided by pi dl. So from that we can find the flux value, that is the 0.0299 Weber. Then we know the diagram of formula, then you can substitute the flux value, then find the total number of conductor, that is the 228. Okay, so that is the total number of conductor, that is Z value find it. So then we can find the number of armature slots. Okay, while you are finding the armature slots, you should select the slot pitch as minimum value is 25 mm, then maximum value is 35 mm. That was the selection guidelines of first selection guidelines. So the YSA should be, or YSA, that is the slot pitch should be lies between 25 mm to 35 mm. So you can select minimum value 25 mm, then find the number of slots, possible slots, that is the 44. Similarly 35 mm, SA it should be equal to pi d divided by YSA, so possible slot 32. So number of armature slots should be varies between 32 to 44. So you can select the pole pair, that is the 32, 34, 36, then all up to 44. You can list out all the possible number of armature slots, right? So you can find it out. Then you can fix the values, the stator slots per pole. You should select the stator slots per pole, that should be the integer value. Here we are selected as the 9. So you can add plus or minus 0.5 to get the rounded value. So in order to avoid the sparking and the commutation issues, so you can select the add the integer value plus or minus 0.5. So the lower possibility value, our selected value is 9. So from that you can add 0.5 and subtract 0.5. So you can find the possible slots per pole. That is the 8.5 as well as 9.5. So these both the cases. So the here they are given the pole is 4. So slots per pole you are considered as 8.5 means that time you can find the 34 as well as if you are considered as a 9.5, that is the 38. So the possible slots in the stator, possible slots in the armature, that is the 34 and the 38. So 38, that is the larger value that you can select and fix it. That is the number of stator slots is, number of armature slots is 38. So we obtained the number of armature slots. So this value is whether it is correct or not, you should check it. So that is why we need to find it out. Total number of conductor per slot, that is the value is 6. Similarly, you can find the minimum value, that is the C minimum, it should be equal to EP divided by 15. E is the voltage, that is the 114, then P is the number of pole. So you can find it out. So the minimum number of electrode coil is 30, that we are founded. Then that is the actual coil. While we are finding the actual coil number of coil, the C equal to 1 by 2 USA. U is the coil sides per slot, that usually you can 2 and 4 you can select it. Then you find the coil, that is the 38 and 76. Then whether both the values is suitable, but we can select one condition based on this condition, that is the conductor slots, that is the ZS conductor slots, number of conductor per slot is divisible by U. So U is, we are selected 2 as well as 4. So we find it the stator slots, that is the slots per conductor is 6. So if you are selected value U is 2, so that time it is the divisible one, that is the SA value is 38 and coil also 38. And remaining 6 divided by 4, if you are supposed U equal to 4, if you are substituted, so it's a 76, but it is not divisible. So we can fix the value for 38. The 38 is divisible in the coil sides per slot. So we obtained slot stators, armature slot 38 is most suitable. That is only the correct choice. The remaining all armature slot we can neglect it and we can fix the stator armature slots, that is the 38. Okay, then we can find the another one thing, that is the number of coils per turn, that is the Z divided by 2C. So here the C value is 38 we fixed, so Z value we know, then 2 value, that is the minimum number of coils per the turns, that is the 3. Okay, so you can see the problem, main dimension and the winding type, total number of conductors and the armature slots and the conductors per slot and the C minimum and number of coils per turns, number of coils per turn we found it. So even though if you are not asking this all thing, you should find it out whether we fixed armature slot is correct or not. We should check it by using ZS as well as C minimum and number of coil required C. Okay, so while you are finding these 3 value, so that should be verifying your obtained armature slots. Okay, thank you.